Okay, we're just coming out to the southwest side of Vancouver Island. Straight ahead of us is Nootka Sound. Got a little bit of cloud activity right here, just light cloud. Actually a little bit of precipitation, real light rain and a little bit of snow flurries there. And straight ahead, like I say, that's all.
What's the name of this place again we're going to?
Mootka Bay Resort.
Okay. They've been in business a while back here?
This is actually a brand new resort. You're going to love it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, looking out here, this is all straight ahead is Nootka Sound. The land on the other side of the water is Nootka Island. And out in the distance is the Pacific Ocean, so we have successfully crossed over the center of the island. And now I'm just going to make a big arc, and Mootka Bay Resort is off over this way. And it's a beautiful day on the ocean. You can see out here how gorgeous it is. And I've got Ted up ahead of me. You guys can't see because here's a little speck. But we'll have a nice ride down the coast today. So we're going to go to Mootka Bay Resort, which is off to my right, and then we're going to take off, and then we're going to go straight ahead out into Esperanza Inlet, and up into the Port Eliza Inlet, and go to Rogers Fishing Lodge and pick up more people there. More people and more fish. And that's what we like to do. It's all about hauling people and hauling fish.